Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the linear progress bar in MIT App Inventor app. So here we go. Now click on the new project and just create any project like progress bar something. Okay, 12. Good. Now this is our first screen. Okay. Now whenever we create some app, so we need some progress bar that we need to show. Okay. So that's why we use here the linear progress. Okay. So I'm gonna try this linear progress this bar. So just drag and drop this. Okay. And in the right side, you will see the options of this default color. Okay. So this is the default color of bar. So I'm gonna make it as a white, and I'm gonna just make that screen background color will be the black like this, and I need to display that in the center. Okay, so I'm gonna just make it in our center like this. Cool. Now click on that bar and you can see the maximum and minimum. So maximum value is 100, is like something the 100% completed, and the minimum is 0. Okay. Now I need to increase it by every second, or I need to increase it by 10 in 1 second. Okay. So how can I do this? So I'm gonna use the timer. Okay. So user interface, and you can see the option of sensors, clock. Just drag and drop it like this. Now timer interval is 1000. It means the 1 second that will increase by 1. So I'm going to make to increase that 1. Okay, that should be increase the 10 times in 1 second. So that's why I'm using it at 100. Go to the block. So what will happen whenever the clock will run, okay, like this, we need to linear progress should be increase the value by 1. So the max is value by 1 like this. Let me show you how this will look. Okay, so let me just try this. Connect AI companion, this one, App Inventor. Let's see how this will look. Okay, connect. Now you can see this is the linear progress bar. You can see this is increasing by 1 in every 10 times in 1 second. Okay, now I want to make it more smooth. Okay, so how can I do this? I'm going to just decrease the time interval. Let's see how this will look now. Oh, that increased like that. Wow, that's nice speed. You can change the color also of this progress bar. So something that color will be something orange, and the progress bar is going to be a pink something. Let's try this. Oh, nice. Okay. So this is the progress bar, but it's too fast. So I'm gonna make it like at least 50. Like connect AI companion. Just copy this, paste that code here, connect with code. You can see this is the progress linear progress bar. Okay. So this is easiest way to create the linear progress bar using the MIT App Inventor app. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.